better, ladies. One more time, pussy ladies. Where they at? Where they at? ROF 6 or 7 G blocking RO5 6 or 7 G blocking. America free. Watch out for the ladies who make that money. On the way, necessary. Feed your motherfucking kids. You ain't gonna let your hungry kids go hungry. Y'all hear me? Listen. Let's go. This is my love. She's real, but I'm all of us in me. She's only got a Justice, African pride, zombie, I wanna see every Junior video. Make sure you get the badass bitches on the video. I wanna see the badass bitches inside the club right about now. Hello, Mr. Friend, your family. Hello, Mr. Violence. What are going on in the This is for the soldiers. This is for my violent soldiers. This is for my violent soldiers. One thing we are doing 2009, I met the violent soldiers. So we not going to jail again, and we never gonna feel again. Because we will feel again. Yo, Junior video. I feel like right for my niggas one time. What the fuck up, man? What's up? What's up? Anybody wanna fuck it out to me?
this. Them dead when we bust this.
When I say more, you say fire. More fire. Voila! Fire on the ground. Solo stand alone. Justice stand alone.
Choices of all that. This is no return, my steel was ball back. This was flags in the water, yeah, call that. From the bitches before they can call Jack. Before they come in, you bottles of ball back. If I ain't a high boy,
they want to call down. Shower. Inside. Put your motherfucking middle finger up, nigga.
Just cold diamonds make a nigga wanna call. You lied 20 million on the ball, and then I step up in the club and then these other niggas ran the shit. The way I make people fall single looking at me.
One time for my niggas be making money every day. What my real got niggas say? What my real gold say? You represent the horn, so hands in the sky. I'm so you can walk it
Them dead when we bust this.
All white bricks.
Shine upon our sign this. Jacksonville. I started my career on Friday Avenue. Then I go to East 21st right there. You saw me also see that. Hey! A lot of niggas didn't make it now. But we're glad to be a motherfucking live. We got a black motherfucking president and a black lady in the White House. All who laughing that shit, put your two hands in the air, motherfucker. Show your video. Hold on, while y'all talking that shit, I got a call from Barack Obama today. Said Justin, we riding too hard over the fucking ears. Nigga like you. I like that. Put up your line, put up your flag. Don't need no cell phone, I don't. And let me tell you this. Living like a dance, we can't tire. I'm in a new world, we don't care about my India.
Like a six shift girl come check me here. Body in your pump pump not aerial. This is the guy she bust like the coach of the river boom boom shit me I got in this year. Good jack make you pull up the wood here. So you're a child black but girl me not here. You want child body sleep here. Body 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 na your pump pump. Body 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 na your pump pump. Body 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 na your pump pump. Girls, line it up na your, line it up na your, line it up na your pump pump. Pose it up na your, pose it up na your.
Yeah. Well, we don't want to see nobody go to jail so late in the morning. So yeah, so yeah man, beat tomorrow, I'm going on. See, yeah. Hopefully I got everybody on see.
I don't see a free wife on place. I don't see a free wife there.
Yeah man, Jackson, we don't see it. Bless man. Thank you all for coming out, justice, you see it. Stone love, crazy, full block attack. This is what I say, mad. Babylon outside still I don't want nothing go on, so we just say, yeah, yeah. Everybody go on peacefully, 4, everybody got jail car done 5:30 in the morning. Mad, Stone of Justice, so we have to bring up African vibes later on.
Yeah man, easy now. Justice, the man. Black, white affair, sell off, we don't know, stylish in the building, everything good, yeah.
So the thing crazy, the thing mad still, but I'm night I be a Babylon, I see a bomb rush the thing. I don't know how to do that, the Philistine, them just come in. Every second me look, when I time the sound all that chip out from the city Babylon them. So right now, it's nice, nobody not the earth. We hear them tell some lions, some rumor, but everything good. Philistine up on the outside, so the take time go home. I'm saying, Holy Emmanuel and King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari, justice, love, honor.